Today, a major auto accident leaves two cars wrecked, one ramming into a lamppost and the other losing an entire wheel hub assembly. Here, the wreckage in the crash site happened at the intersection of Sunset Strip and University Drive. Here, you'll see the wreckage that I took. It's a calm, chilly Sunday night when out of nowhere a silver Toyota rams a Mazda, sending it into the curb, breaking off the wheel hub assembly along with the strut, control arm, CV axle, and tire. As for the Toyota, it collided and rammed an entire lamppost, sending it into the public roads, potentially almost hitting someone in the way. Luckily, both drivers managed to walk away with no injuries and no hospital visits. If you enjoy this type of videos and content, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, because these videos will alert you of things that are happening around the community. The goal is to promote safety and hopefully that no one else will get into these type of accidents. As always, John Gustavo reported from Sunrise, South Florida, and thank you for watching.